Chapter 21, Exploring Concepts of Probability. Probability is about how likely an event is. A good place to begin is with a focus on possible and not possible, and later impossible, possible, certain activities. So activity 21.1 and 21.2. Asking students to first predict what they think might happen and then explore through experiments such as games, support, students emerging ideas about probability. Activity 21.2. Is it likely? You're going to ask students to judge various events of certain, impossible, or possible. It will rain today. Drop a rock in the water and it will sink. A sunflower seed planted today and will bloom tomorrow. The sun will rise tomorrow morning. Hurricane, tornado will hit our town. In the election, candidate A is elected. If you ask someone who the second U.S. president was, they will know. You will have 2 birthdays this year. You will be in bed by 9 p.m. For each event, students should justify their choice of how likely they think it is. The use of random devices such as tools can be analyzed. Number cubes, coins to be tossed, colored cubes from a drawn bag, and spinners can help students make predictions about how likely a particular occurrence is. First, you need to begin with a random device, which students can count the outcomes, or such as tossing a coin. Colored dots can be stuck on the side of a wooden cube to be created a different color probabilities. Color tiles can be placed in an open bag. Students draw a tile from the bag and then return it after each drawing. Activity 21.5. Race to 10. You can use race 10 activity pages that you can find, refer to the spinner, and ask, if we count spins that land on red and ones that land on blue, which one will be first to 10? 2 players take turns spinning the spinner, each time placing an X in the matching column. A spinner that is 3/4 red and 1/4 blue gives a student a paperclip to use as a pointer. But this activity can be played with different spinners, such as the ones on the right side of the page. It would be a good idea to repeat this activity 21.5 race to 10 with different spinners like these. After each time using a different spinner, ask students to justify their outcomes. Presenting probability on a number line from 0 to impossible, 1 to certain provides a visual representation of how likely an event can be. The number line above with the spinners can be connected to each other, from likely to possible to impossible. Make sure to post this probability in your room with the number line and the spinners. In order to deepen students' understanding of probability continuum, select a particular mark along the continuum, such as 1/4, half, 3/4, 1/3, 1, 0, and have students create a spinner that would correspond with if it's likely, unlikely, or possible.